There's no light in my hallway. This is outside, and I'll probably get something here eventually, but that light switch over there that doesn't have anything in it yet. So, when I open my closet, there's no light. Let's fix that. We have one of these to fix the light. So we gotta clean the wall, put this up. Oh wow, I'm so tired. So I still do have a little bit of light, but it doesn't give me enough to really check my closet, especially when 99% of my jackets are black or dark blue. Oh, those little hookies there. Hope this goes then. Nope. I love this house. No? Okay. I guess it doesn't stick to the area I literally just cleaned to put it on it. That's cool. That's cool. And now I have light. Freaking remote controlled. How cool is this? It doesn't seem to be working though. Unless it's already there. That's cool. Okay, this is literally just in my closet. We don't need this on.